Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be working on the 2017 Audi A7. So where I left off, I got the door in, removed the fender, changed the oil in the car, and I finally got the rear door. So here's that door. So this right here cost me around $600. This is just for the skin of the back door. So I have to replace it all because of that. And honestly, this probably could have been replaced, but I really didn't want to mess with all the Bondo. So I could probably still sell this door, get a probably decent price. Got this one for $480 plus shipping was about 600 bucks. So I don't know, maybe I can sell this one for like around $200. Pretty sure somebody will still pick it up because there's not many out there. I think on eBay there was only like, I believe 3 or 4. Fenders, only 1. So once the fender's in, we're good to go. I'm gonna take it to a car wash, and then hopefully Monday I can take it to the body shop where they can paint it and adjust all the doors and all that. So kind of looking forward to that. Yeah, I was able to test drive it after I changed the oil, and I'm really impressed. It drives really good. That supercharger is very nice, instant power. It does pull a little bit to the, I believe it was on the right after the accident, so might need to change the control arm. But after that, I think it should be complete. And then the fun process of taking it for a police inspection, stamping out the rebuild from Salvage, and of course paying the big money for the registration, which I'm not looking forward to. But it's getting pretty close. And so yeah, so today we're gonna be working on that door, the back door. I think it should go fairly quick this time now that I know kind of how the front door works, plus the front door has all the, you know, electronics, so it's definitely gonna be easier. This is just the back door. Won't be as complicated. Yeah, we'll go from there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, so there's the door once I unpacked it. Looks pretty good, nice and clean. I did notice a little dent actually, not too big, but there's actually a little dent right there. It's kind of funny because the dent is pretty much in the same location where I have the big dent. But I mean, it's not too bad. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Man, this thing is super light. It's just a complete shell. Absolutely nothing. This is what it looks like over here. So let's see. There's the bush. It's interesting, these windows, they actually don't go all the way down. They only go like halfway. That was kind of interesting. But yeah, that's max. Oh, a little bit more. Yep, that's max. Maximum down. Okay, so then we need to disconnect the battery. So I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, so Alright guys, so got the original door completely stripped. All the parts are right here in this location. Got the handle, the glass right there, door panel, the motors and all that stuff. So this thing is completely empty. But yeah, anyways, that's all done. So I'm gonna put this aside. Actually grab this guy. Put this here. And now the fun begins where I start putting everything together. So this whole thing, to strip it, took me like about less than 2 hours. So not a long process, but yeah, and probably twice as less parts than I had on the front door. And yeah, got this already in here. Close this real nice, got that adjusted. So here we go. Let's get started. Done. Completely. So now is the moment of truth. Hopefully everything works. The window, the door handle, locking, speaker, all the buttons. So we're about to actually connect the battery. Get some juice. There we go. Got some power. I'm gonna tighten this up. Here we go. Hey, it looks good. That looks good. Opens up. Okay, let's see. There's not much buttons, honestly. Just listen to the speaker. Yeah, music is playing. Now it should be good. Okay, now it's good. There we go. Put this all back. There. That goes there. And then we got this lovely steer. This guy goes in here. That. And that. Voila. Ooh. Look at that. Do you want a sticker?
No, thank you.
We got this one here. We got this one.